In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion database in Zapier. We'll be setting up a simple automation that takes new responses from a Google form and sends them into Notion automatically. This is a great way to save time, reduce manual data entry, and keep your information organized in one place. To begin, log into your Zapier account. Once you're in, click Create, and then choose Zap. This opens a new automation where you'll define both the trigger and the action. Start by clicking the trigger step. In the app search bar, look for Google Forms and select it. For the trigger event, choose New Form Response. This tells Zapier to watch for every new response submitted through your selected form. Next, connect your Google account so Zapier can access your forms. After that, select the specific Google form you want to monitor. Once it's chosen, click Test Trigger. This is an important step because it lets Zapier pull in sample data from a recent submission, which you'll use later when mapping fields. Make sure the sample response appears correctly. Then click Continue. Now move on to the action step. Search for Notion and select it as your action app. Then connect your Notion account so Zapier can send data there. For the action event, choose Create Database Item. This means every time a new form response comes in, Zapier will create a new item in your selected Notion database. After that, choose the Notion database where you want the new entries to be added. Once the database is selected, you'll see the available properties. Here, map the fields from your Google form to the matching properties in Notion. For example, if your form collects a name, email, or message, match each field to the appropriate property in your database. Taking a moment to map these carefully helps ensure your data stays clean and accurate. When everything looks good, click Continue. Then click Test Step to make sure the setup works properly. Zapier should create a new item in your Notion database using the sample form response. Check Notion and verify that the item appears as expected. If the test is successful, click Publish to activate your Zap. Your automation is now live. To confirm everything is working in real time, submit a new response through your Google form. Then check your Notion database and make sure Zapier automatically creates a new item. That's it. Thanks for watching.